Let's first set up the hardware. The first step is to establish common ground. To do this, use a jumper wire to connect the ground pin on the Raspberry to the negative rail on the breadboard. This allows the LED to use the ground pin on the Raspberry Pi. Now, we will insert the resistors in the breadboard. Space the resistors out with one leg connected to the negative wheel. Now it's time to insert the lead. It's important to note that the longer of the lead of the two leads on most through-hole lead is the positive lead. Connecting it to the wrong way will cause the circuit to not work. Connect the negative lead of the LED to the horizontal rail on which the resistor is connected, and connect the positive lead to the adjacent rail. Now we're going to complete the circuit. We're going to use GPIO 14 for the output signal. Then connect the positive lead of the LED to the right, on the right to GPIO 14. The circuit is now complete.